Alright, let us continue by adding our text. So you have to tap on the text on the plus sign so that it will move us directly to our text. When you tap on it, okay, I'm offline. Remember, your data should be on. If your data is not on, you're not doing anything here. You can see my data was off, that's why. So I've put it on back again. So I have to tap on the plus sign. Okay. And I'll move directly to my text. I will scroll right. See, this is text. Alright. See the elements that we used: gallery, my project, text. Then I tap on text. See, it has 3 steps. This is the biggest, the semi biggest, and the last. So you can also use any of these. That's why Canva is very simple to use. You can use any of these fonts. These are styles that you can use. Some of them are pro. This one you are seeing pro, they are not for free. So let us pick the middle one. So let me just tap on it. You can see I'll move it directly to this place. Then I will have to edit. I'll click on edit and I will delete the text there, or I can just write, have you heard? I can increase it. You just tap on the text. Then I'll go to fonts. You just tap on fonts. You can select any font. Okay, let me just use this Anton. This is just a practice though. Font size, I can increase the font size. You can see it, just the same as Pixel. Have you heard? You can see it. I can change the color. I can move. Make sure you are highlighting on the text before you are editing, because if you are not highlighting on the text, you can't edit the text. Then I'll move to color. You can see color here. You see color. You tap on color. Yes. So the initial color that we used, they are all here now. So I just tap on it. You can see it. Have you heard about? Let me just use the same. Should I use something else? Okay, let me go back to the text. I'll click and go back to text. Let me select the last one. The last one here. This is the last. So it's big, like big, or should I call it small? I don't know how to put it, but they just have, the sizes are not the same. So I'll just tap on the last one. You can see it's smaller. I'll edit about. I'll just move it to this place. Make sure they are aligned. So I can still increase the size because it seems as if it's small. Font size, let me increase it a bit. Okay. Okay. Have you heard about? Okay, let me choose a font. Okay, I choose tight black. You can choose yours. So I can change the color to yellow. You can see it. Just like in Pixel Lab, you can also edit a lot of things. You can also add a lot of things. Okay. You can also do the transparency, the effects. Okay. You can see it. You can still do a lot of things with it. Okay, let me use this glitch. So I added some effect. Have you heard about? I think this guy should be reduced small. Okay, I think this guy should be reduced a bit. Or should we leave it that way? Okay, let's move him to here a bit. Okay, so we have our space. So let's add something else. Let's add a shape, or we can simply pick one of these shapes and duplicate. Like I told you, you can just tap on this place and duplicate. So I can just tap on it and duplicate. Or let's just select a shape so you won't be confused. Let's select shape. We go back to our elements. We pick a shape. You know, I just want to use it for a text. Then I'll move it. I'll move it here. You can see this arrow. You can use it to move this arrow here. You move it, use it to move whatever you want to move. So because of this big guy, I just want to do it this way. So let me change the color of this new element. You know how we do it. You tap on color and you change it to blue. So let's write our text. So let me choose the biggest, or this one too. Let me duplicate the text so that I can edit. I'll move it this way so I can have space to edit. So I just tap on edit and I'll clean, or I can just write. Let me clean first and I'll star graphics. Or let me write it separately so I can get what I want. Okay, star. Let me change the color to yellow. And I'll move it to this place. Then I will edit again. I will duplicate another text. Then I'll move it here. Then I write graphics. I'll have to delete. Then I write my graphics. I want the two of them to have different fonts or different effects. That's why I'm doing it this way. So I'll increase the size. I still want to do a bit of editing. Okay, let me add question mark. I think let me add color. Go to color, you add a new color. I think this font is big. Let me reduce the size. You can see what I did. I want all of them to be in alignment. So when it gets to there, you will see the red line showing that they are now aligned. You can see that. So I can decide to do anything I want here. I can add some dots here, down here, like I did in the other one. If you don't want to go back to text, just duplicate and write whatever you want to write. Duplicate. You delete the initial text and write whatever you want to write. You see it? I just move here. Then I can add contact us. Okay. I want to delete the first. So I can put, let me edit this what is called, the element that I chose, so that I can use it for something else. Let me duplicate. I can duplicate this element now and put it down here. So let me duplicate. I'll reduce the size and I'll put it here, and I'll move it down here, just like we did in our using Pixel Lab. You can see that. And I can change the color, or yes, I can change the color to yellow as well. I tap on it and I change the color to yellow. Then I can write a text. I think this video is taking long. I can pick also any text from here and duplicate. I just tap on any text. If I tap on have you heard, I duplicate and I bring it down here so I can have my space. I click on edit and I remove the text and write contact us. I think the font is big. I have to reduce it. Click on fonts and font size. Sorry. Click on font size and reduce, and I bring it into here. Hold my arrow for moving around and I bring it here. You can see it. So the next thing for you to do is to add the WhatsApp icon and the Facebook icon and put in your phone number and your Facebook username or whatever you wish to use down on this blue side using a yellow color. You know how we did it. You put it here and that will be all. You guys can see we have done our own editing, designing using Canva. It's almost the same with Pixel Lab, but this is for the benefit of those who are using an iOS, that's iPhone users. So I'm happy that you are understanding, and I believe that in subsequent classes you will understand more. All right, thank you for having me. Okay, these are, I'm just, I forgot something, so I just added this clip to it. How to save. I forgot to teach you how to save. So, here is how where to save. You can save either from here or from here. So you can just tap save as image, and your design is saving. So after this, your design will just save. I forgot to add it, so you can see it's saved already on my gallery. So this is not the actual picture. I'm just trying some new things. So if you want to save through this place, you can simply tap on it too. You can download, click on download. Then you can select your file size. You want it to be on PNG, PDF standard. You want to print it as PDF. So this is where you see all these options. So if I click on it's on PNG, I can just click on download, and my design is downloading. So this is how to download, because I forgot about it, so I had to let you guys know. All right, thank you.